Hey guys, this is Ayush here and welcome back to Radness Tech. Today we're gonna talk about the infamous PS5. But before you do that, I suggest you to hit the bell icon and the subscribe button so that you get notified each time we upload a new video. Also, one more thing to add on, don't forget to watch our latest video on top 5 games that you should play during this quarantine. So where should I start this one? We just came to know about the PlayStation 5 and PlayStation is right now an official thing after so many leaks and so many speculations. In case you're wondering when, Holiday 2020 is your answer. So before getting into the technicalities, let's look at the design. Here it is in its pale moonlight color, whitely coated on the outside with a strand of neon blue lights and a futuristic design. I cannot say that design didn't awe me. So this particular model isn't like the previous models. You can actually play PS4 games in this particular PlayStation. Let's talk about the models. Coming to the models, there are two types of models. One is the digital edition and the other one is the 4K Blu-ray disc drive. Here are some of the prominent specifications. Unlike Xbox, Sony decided to use SSD in a much smarter way. Using SSD means faster loading times and less time for retrieval. Let me tell you a fun fact. The SSD of this particular PlayStation, that is the PS5, is so fast that the gaming studio Unreal Engine 5 had to redesign its game so that it could use the game to its fullest. The main idea to use this customized GPU and CPU is to have a backward compatibility. Get to the audio. In this particular PlayStation, you can hear 3D audio. It can easily handle hundreds of sounds. Right, so in the demo actually we witnessed this by the example of raindrop. Normally in the previous models we can hear rainfall as it is, but in PS5 we can hear the distant raindrops. I believe this could create an enhanced immersive experience using HRFT algorithm. Coming to the controller, it is still using the old concept of triangle, X boxes and circle. The colors are absent from the controller, but Sony did move forward with black and white design. In the L2 and the R2, there is an adaptive haptic feedback mechanism made by Sony. Let's not steal all the thunders. These are some of the exclusive games. So with all this in your head, think about it and let us know which is the extreme and the great gaming console according to you, and let us know in the comment section below. Stay safe guys. I hope that the lockdown has ended, but that doesn't mean you should go out. Hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video and share it with your family and friends. Until the next video, stay rad, stay safe and stay home.